Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add negative keywords to your Google Ads campaigns. Basically, a negative keyword is a keyword that you can add to your account, and if somebody was to search for that keyword, basically what would happen is your ads would not trigger, so that it can save you money in terms of clicks. There's two ways that you can do this. The first way is by going over to Audiences, Keywords and Content on the left-hand side, going down and selecting Search Keywords, going over to the negative search keywords tab and then clicking the plus sign. You're then able to select the campaign that you want to add your negative keywords to, and in the box below you're able to put all of the negative keywords in as shown. And basically negative keywords work in terms of the match types just exactly how a normal keyword would work. So if we wanted just a broad match, we would do it just like this. If we wanted a phrase match, we would do it with the speech marks, and then if we wanted a exact match, we would do it just like this. And it works just the way that normal keywords works. And then once we're ready, we can go ahead and click save, and this will add your negative keywords to your account. Now, the other way that we can add negative keywords to our account is by actually using real data. So if I was to come over to this campaign in the overview section, we would be able to go down into this section right here on our overview page where it says searches. And maybe, for example, we don't want this keyword to be shown anymore in our searches. So what we can actually do is hover over it, and we can actually add it as a negative keyword, and we can actually pick our match type right here and click save, and that will add that negative keyword to that campaign. Hope this video helps, and I will see you in the next one.